Today I'm going to tell you chapter number 12, 12.1 and 12.2 important question that will come in paper. So now let's start. So there I have marked important the question that will come in paper. See here, the third question is important and first and second are not important. So I will not do all parts of third question, but I will do star parts of third question, like this and this. Okay, so now the second thing that is important, that fifth question, find the value of m for which 5m divided by 5 minus 3 is equal to 5. So I will do this question, and sixth is important, seventh is important. So sixth part I will do first part, sixth question I will do first part, and seventh question I will do first part. So let's get started. So now we will do from question number third, second part. So see guys, here I have noted down the question here, and now let's we do the answer. So how we will do the answer? First we will multiply 2 and 4. 2 fours are 8 and minus 1, and then we will do divide sign. 2 minus 2 is 4. We will write here 4, divide sign, 8 minus 1. So see here, now we will divide it, not minus, because first I say that multiply sign is plus and divide sign is minus, but now we will do divide. So like this, we will write as 1 and 8, and here multiply sign 4 by 1. Okay, so now we will cut 8 and 4. 8 from 8, 4 will be there, cut, and from here 2, and then from here 2, and then from here 1. So the answer of the second question is 1 by 2. Okay, so now we will write here 1 by 2 is the answer of the second part. So now let's come to the third part. So here there is third part, and now I will note down it on the notebook. So see here, now I am going to do second question, and now we will do this column first, like 2 by 1 and 2 here. Now we will do plus 3 by 1 and 2 here, and now we will do plus and 4 by 1 and 2 here. The positive sign and the negative sign will change into positive, and now we will do like this, that 2 will come here also, and 3 will, and 1 2 2 here come 2, and here come 2, here come 2. So now we will write as 2 by 1 2 2 plus sign, 3 by 1 here 2, here 2. This will be out of bracket. Now here 4 by 1 here 2, here 2. So now we will write as 2 2s are 4, 1 has not anything, plus 3 3s are 9 and 1, now plus 4 4s are 16, and here 1. So now the answer of this question is 16 plus 9 4 is equal to 29 by 1 is the answer of the third part. So now coming to the fifth part. So now the fifth part says that bracket minus 2 bracket inside also, and the underline sign means divide sign, third bracket close, and minus 2, then one more bracket and 2. Now we will copy down it on the notebook. So see here. So see here, I have noted down the question on the notebook, and now we will do its answer. So see, first we will change 3 as upward and minus 2 as downward, and the minus 2 negative sign will change into positive. So we will do like this, 3 minus 2, and then we will do this bracket. Here there will be 2, and then we will put bracket, and here 2. So now we will do as 3 2 times and one more 2 times. Okay, like 3 3s are 9. Okay, 3 3s are 9. 9 nines are 81, like this, 81, and then 2 twos are 4, 4 fours are 16. So this is the answer of the fifth part. Now coming to the fifth part, like find the value of m, for which see here the question. So see here the question, find the value of m for which 5m divided by 5 minus 3 is equal to 5. So now we will note it on the notebook. So see. So see here, there is the part 5m divided by 5 minus 3 is equal to 5. So now, how we will do this part? Like 5m, like this. 5. So see here, as I said you, that divide sign is of minus and multiply sign is of plus. So we will do here that m minus bracket minus 3 is equal to 5. So now minus minus will be plus. So we will write as 5m plus here 3 is equal to 5. So now we will write as m is equal to 5 minus 3, and we will write m is equal to 2. This is our answer and this is our value of m. Okay. Now coming to the sixth part, sixth question, first part. Now see the question. So see here the question, first part, bracket 1 divide sign 3 bracket close minus 1 divide minus sign, and then one more time bracket 1 divide by 4 bracket close minus 1, and one more time bracket minus 1. So now we will note down this question on the notebook. So see here, now we will do evaluate sixth part question. So now how we will do this question? First we will write here bracket, and then we will write here 3 by 1 and then 1 sign, like here bracket, and minus 4 by 1 we will write as, and then here 1. So now we will do as one more bracket like this, and then one more bracket, and now we will do minus of these numbers like this, like we will do 3 1 minus 4 1 1, and then minus 1. So now the 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1 and minus 1. So the answer will come as, the minus minus sign will cut and the answer will 1. This will not come. Here we will write 1 answer. So the sixth first part answer is 1. So now coming to the seventh part, first means seventh question, first part, simplify. Now let's go to the question. So see here the question, seventh first part, 25 multiply t minus 4 and then divide sign 5 minus 3 multiply 10 multiply t minus 8. Now coming to the answer, now I will note down the question on the notebook. So see here guys, there is seventh first part I have noted down on the notebook, and now we will do its answer. So see here the answer. Now we will write as 25 multiply t minus 4. As I have said you earlier that t minus 4, there is a minus sign, it will go down, and here the minus sign, it will go up. Like the minus sign will change as upward, going to upward the minus sign will change into positive, and here going downward the minus sign will change into positive. So now we are going to do this. 25 multiply 5 by 3 multiply, this is going up, and then multiply t by 8, this is going up. Okay, so now 10 will not go up because it is already positive, and 25 will also not go down because it is already positive. So now we will write here 10 multiply t by 4. So see here, now we have to open 5 3 times, open t 8 times, and here open t 4 times, and 10 as it is, and 25 also as it is. So now we will write 25 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply. So see here, now we will write t as 8 times. Now we are writing t as 8 times, t T, and one more time T, and here T, and here T, here T, here T. How many times? First I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time T. Okay, okay, one more time T. Now we will do divide sign, and then we will write here 10 multiply T 4 times. Now we will cut T. Here T. We will cut it 4 times. We will cut it 4 times. Okay. Now here there's left 4. And now we will multiply 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. So we will write here 25 multiplied by 125. And then we will write multiplied by T by 4. And then here we will write 10. Okay. So now see here, now we have written 25 multiply 125 multiply T by 4 by 10, and now we will multiply 25 and 125. So see here, we are multiplying 25 and 125. Now there is 5 5s are 25, so we'll write here 25, and then 5 and 5 5 to are 10, 10 11 12. Here we will write 12, 5 and 5 and 6 here, and multiply 2 5s are means 5 and 5 5 to are 10. Here 1, 5 2s are 10, 0, 2 2s are 4, and 5 here, and 2 1s are 2. So now we will write here 5, here we will write 2, here we will write 6 plus 5 is equal to 11, and then we will write here 1 and 1 1 2, and here we will write 3. So now it came that is equal to 3125 multiplied by T by 4, and then 10 here. So now we will count 10 as a point, and T4 will be multiplied by 3 125. So see here. So now see here, I have written this whole, and then 10 we will count as point, so it comes in 5 1 2 3 4 and 1 0, and here the point will come, so we will write as 312.5 multiplied by 2 T by 4. So we will write here 312.5 T by 4 is the answer of the 7th question first part. So now thank you, and do like and subscribe our channel.